It's me Anirban and back here with another brand new video on my channel. In this video I will be doing the unboxing of this Logitech C270 HD webcam that you can install in your PC, and also if you are using any laptop but you want the camera quality to be a little more better as compared to the one that is the default one that you have in your laptop. Basically you can definitely install this kind of webcams so that you can generally what happens is that we generally do a lot of classes online, basically for those who are now doing their classes online, that is in Zoom or Google Meet. So in that case, if you are doing it from a desktop, basically then you need to install this kind of webcams, and this one is from the brand called Logitech. It is a very good webcam which supports 720p at 30 fps, that is 30 frames per second, as you can see. And so just sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. Hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video and found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and share this video with all those people whom you know who are thinking of buying this kind of Logitech HD webcams for themselves, for their friends, for their relatives. And thanks for watching, and see you guys in the